EnCORE utilizes passive design strategies that help to reduce the home's energy profile. In this presentation, we will look at EnCORE's passive design strategies, including building orientation, natural lighting, natural ventilation, passive solar heating and cooling, reduced air infiltration, rooftop and window design, and exterior landscape and control structures. We start with the building's orientation. The building is oriented such that the longest wall is located on both the north and south side of the home. This allows for the building to utilize the summer sun during the colder months, while minimizing infiltration and thermal losses from the wind that typically goes from west to east in Ohio. On the south side of the home, there are 3 large windows. These windows allow for the sun to heat the home during the cold winter months, while control structures shade the windows during the warmer months. To avoid conductive heat losses, all of these windows are triple glazed. Next, we look at EnCORE's natural lighting techniques. In each room of the house, there exist windows that provide natural lighting. Window sizing and placement was determined based on the room's intended use and how much natural light was desired. By using natural light, EnCORE reduces the need for artificial lighting, resulting in energy savings for the home's occupants. Now we will discuss the home's natural ventilation. This passive design strategy is intended to reduce the cooling load during the summer months by using the cooler night air to cool the home. This design features lower windows on the windward wall, that is, the direction the wind typically hits the house, and higher windows on the opposite wall, also known as the leeward wall. This allows the cool night air to enter the windward windows and the warm air to be ventilated out of the higher leeward windows. Next, we move on to the exterior landscape and control structures. To reflect the solar radiation during the warmer months, polycarbonate panels are positioned off of the house. Polycarbonate panels were chosen because they are inexpensive, low maintenance, and highly reflective of the sun's rays. Functionally, the polycarbonate panels act as a rain screen and as solar controls. On the west side of the house, there are operable panels over the windows, and on the south side there are operable sliding panels to cover the passive solar windows, which helps to protect from the sun on warmer winter days. These operable panels also function to block the windows during times where the occupants would like greater privacy. Outside, the trees work with the house to reduce convective heat losses due to wind, and also shade the house during the summer months to reduce solar heating. Lastly, we will discuss reduced air infiltration. EnCORE features airtight walls to ensure minimal air infiltration. This is accomplished using advanced framing techniques and blown-in insulation. The building is also oriented such that the shortest walls are perpendicular to the wind direction. This reduces air infiltration due to wind. We hope you enjoyed this presentation of the passive design strategies displayed by the EnCORE house. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to the Green Home Technology Center team at The Ohio State University via the provided contact information. Thanks again for watching.